To get a pricing estimate, the first decision you'll have to make is whether you want to use our AWS account to provision nodes, which we call a demand plan, or whether you want to use your own AWS account, a hosted plan. Hosted plans can be more cost-effective, but they also require separate payment to AWS and some additional configuration. If you don't know what AWS is, or if you just want to get started in the simplest way, you'll want to go with a demand plan. Demand plans charge according to the number of node hours that you use. You'll need to determine how many node hours you think you'd need in total per month, which will depend on several factors. More about this later. Hosted plans charge according to the maximum number of nodes you'll need at the same time, not according to node hours. So once you select the number of nodes you want, you'll then be able to use them for an unlimited number of node hours. Keep in mind, however, that even though you won't be paying flood for how long you use the nodes, you'll still need to pay AWS directly for them. So you'll want to take that into account when coming up with your total pricing estimate. Once you've decided whether you want a demand or hosted plan and determined the number of node hours or nodes you need, you can have a look at our pricing plans. All our plans automatically recur at the end of the period unless you cancel them, and you can cancel your subscription pretty easily through our UI. You'll notice that yearly plans do get a substantial discount over the monthly plans. So let's say you've decided that you want a demand plan. How do you know how many node hours you need? And what's a node hour anyway? I'm glad you asked. That's the topic for the next section.